it would be hard to imagine a storm that's going to be a bigger impact than this, though anything's possible. It's happened later than this, so you can never say never. But let's deal with this one. It's going to be enough to deal with. And Tuesday, I can't emphasize enough as the day unfolds how difficult, if not impossible, a travel day it's going to be. So please take that into account. Realize that ahead of time. All right, a blizzard watch here for eastern Massachusetts. That's because we're going to have an awful lot of wind to go with the heavy snow. A winter storm warning over the rest of the area once you get, let's say, west of Worcester. And we also have a winter storm watch that's in effect for central and northern New England. That'll get converted in time. And a winter storm watch for the Cape because there the snow amounts are a little bit in question because of some mix or change that's going to happen as we get deeper into the storm. All right, to have blizzard conditions, you need the visibility to drop to a quarter mile or less for at least 3 consecutive hours with frequent gusts over 35 miles an hour with falling, blowing, drifting, or combination of those 3 going on. There's a real strong chance that is going to happen during that day. There's the winter storm watch for the Cape and also for northern New England. Again, that will get converted over. All right, these were the low temperatures early this morning and the high temperatures today. The reason I'm showing you that, look at how far below normal it is. So an abnormally cold air mass for this time of the year is one of the ingredients giving us such a big potential with this upcoming storm. And it's only 20 degrees now in Boston. Another very cold night. It's in the teens to around 20 degrees. And right now, the low temperatures that I expect are single digits to low teens. Another very cold night. Tomorrow, though, much better. Less wind, sunshine, more tranquil, the calm before the storm. But we have the cold air in place. And now we have moisture sliding southeast. This is only in its infancy, but this will become the storm as it marches on up the East Coast, bumping into the cold air. It's a classic. All the major cities of the Northeast will be impacted, from Washington to Philly to New York, up here to Boston and up to Portland, Maine as well. So let's give you the timeline. All right, here we are, 5 in the morning, just starting up in Connecticut and Rhode Island. Quickly spreads northward. It gets heavier and heavier. And remember, once we're in mid to late morning to mid to late afternoon, 1 to 4 inch per hour snowfall rates. Then we watch a mix and eventually a change to rain on the Cape. The mix of sleet could get up to about I-95, but even that is still wintry precipitation and heavy precipitation at that. Lighter precipitation overnight ends completely by Wednesday morning. It's over by that point in time. So my best estimate on snowfall amounts from I-95 north and west, anywhere from 12 to 18 inches. Parts of Worcester County could even be a little bit higher than that. I would say 8 to 12 inches south and east of I-95. 4 to 8 on the Cape, 1 to 4 for Nantucket. More about how the snow is going to ramp up so quickly now with Mike.
As Harvey, as you mentioned, 1 to 4 inches per hour. That means this snow, to get a foot to a foot and a half in a short period of time, really has to come at us strong. So let me show you what's going to happen in Lawrence. By 1 o'clock, you've got 3 inches of snow on the ground. By 4 o'clock, you've got 8 inches. And by 7 o'clock, you're closing in on 18 inches of snow. As you look down through Worcester, again, 4 inches at 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. And then by the time we get to 7 o'clock, you're looking at 19 inches of snow. How about the city of Boston? Look how fast it ramps up. Maybe nothing too early in the morning, but then we go about 3 to 4 inches per hour until we get to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then it really just cuts loose. Down to the south, as long as we're into the west of that sleet line, the snowfall in Brockton is going to pile up pretty quickly. By 7 o'clock, 14 inches of snow. And then you look down toward the Cape. Look what happens. The snow comes up pretty quickly. 1 inch by 10 a.m., but 4 inches by 1 o'clock. And then we don't get a whole lot more after that. Remember, sleet doesn't pile up, but it's still very slippery to be trying to drive around in. It's going to be dangerous no matter where you're at. Harvey?
All right, great points, Mike. And again, if this is going to alter in any way, you could always have some locally heavier amounts. And also, if that sleet line tilts a little bit up, then these lines will shift a little bit up. But right now, this is our best estimate of how it's going to play out. Remember the high wind watch as well. There's the risk of power outages, especially southeastern Mass and the Cape, where the snow that does fall will be wetter. But with such strong winds all along the coast, there is that risk. And then the high tide, some concern, of course, about that early afternoon high tide on Tuesday, especially if those winds and seas build quick enough during the morning hours. As for snow impacts, starts out low early in the day Tuesday, quickly becomes high, and then very high for the rest of the day. All right, here's a look at the next 7 days. Obviously, a big impact weather day on Tuesday, and cold weather is going to follow this storm, still well below normal temperatures. So, of course, the sun will help, but we're not going to get the kind of melting you'd expect at this time of the year. And next weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, there is a chance of some additional snow. Right now, that doesn't seem to have anywhere close to the potential, if it even materializes, compared to what we're going to be facing on a Tuesday. So Cindy and Kellyanne will be in the morning. Mike and I will be here in the afternoon and beyond, and we'll take you through this storm every step of the way. Read Nicole.